Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Etsy keywords. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do now is to simply find the tool for searching the keywords, etc. So basically you can simply go to the shop manager and from there we can add an application or to connect an app with our store. And this app would be Everbee. And as you can see, Everbee would allow you to find best-selling products and keywords here in Etsy. So we can click on Everbee, and from here we need just to click on Learn More, so we can be able to connect the account. So by clicking on Sign In, you'd find Login in with Etsy. I'm already logged in, and basically now we can find our website. So basically here you would find like your shop analytics. You will see like the charts, profile charts. This will show you your stats and what's been selling more, what's not, etc. And basically here to find keywords, you can simply go to the keyword search. Here I'm just going, for example, go to t-shirts, and here you will find like mini t-shirts keywords. And as you can see, this one or all these keywords are uh, working, and but they don't have like much volume. So we need something that has like much volume and less competition. And basically, and of course, you will need like to have something that would have like a higher keyword ratio. And basically, that means that it's a good keyword that you can use, like then you can use it in title, description, or whatever, just so you can enhance visibility of your product or whatever. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.